You may have noticed some improvements to the budgeting tool, including the option to import a budget from Excel. To get started, select Budgets from the bottom left sidebar. This will open the Budget pop-up, where you can view any existing budgets or create a new one. To create a new budget, click Create New. You'll then have the option to create your budget within Excel or use Reach Reporting. In this example, we'll use Excel. First, choose which statements you'd like to create a budget for. Then, select the date range. You can also choose to pre-fill data and apply a growth rate or start from scratch. After configuring your budget template, download the Excel file and open it. You can edit your Excel budget by adding new columns or data. In this example, we will add 2 rows for rental price and rental hours, so the rental income can be used as a driver for the budget. To do this, insert 2 rows and set the equipment rental income to equal the average rental price, multiplied by the average rental hours. Copy that value across the budget. As values are added, the rest of the budget will automatically update to reflect those changes. Additionally, all charted accounts will match your company's data at the time of export. Once you have finished making edits, save your Excel file and return to Reach Reporting. Upload your newly saved Excel file to the right of the template creator. After uploading, your budget will be added to the list of created budgets, where you can download it if needed or update it by uploading a new file. You can easily add data from your newly created budget to a report or metric. To do this, open the metric builder where you want it added. You can add a new column with data from your budget or adjust existing columns by selecting Budget from the dropdown. Then, select the budget state range and reference your new budget. This covers everything you need to know about the budgeting tool with Excel. If you have any questions, please send us a chat.